Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. So, the most popular question is, Gerald, how can I start real estate investing with no money? How do I begin investing in real estate with no money? Many people out there will tell you, well, you need 10,000. Well, you need 20,000 to be successful in real estate. You need 50 grand to be successful in real estate. You need 1,500, whatever the number is, right? So before I go ahead and get into that, let me explain. When people ask that question, most people are asking that question generally. So you have real estate typically fits into two buckets. You have traditional real estate investing, and then you have non-traditional real estate investing. So traditional real estate investing involves you having money, involves you having good credit. Traditional real estate investing typically boils down to fixing and flipping real estate. That's where you buy real estate at a discount. You buy a house at a discount, you fix it up, and then you resell it for a profit. Okay? You buy a property at a discount, you fix it up, and then you resell it for a profit. Now, that is traditional real estate investing. Another aspect of traditional real estate investing is buying a property, putting some work into it, typically, putting some work into it, holding it, and then renting it out. This is referred to as a buy and a hold. Now, these are the two more popular traditional ways to invest in real estate, referred to as traditional real estate investing. Non-traditional real estate investing is where you don't need money or credit to invest in real estate. Okay? Non-traditional aspects of real estate investing are areas like wholesaling. If you all don't know what that is, go ahead and Google it or YouTube it. Another aspect of creative real estate investing, or another term would be non-traditional real estate investing, would be lease options, lease optioning property. Now, another aspect of real estate investing would be subject to investing. So the creative or the non-traditional aspects of investing they don't involve money or credit. What they do involve is an action habit. So if you want to focus on non-traditional real estate investing, which involves no money or credit, you can focus on wholesaling, lease options, or subject to investing. These seem to be the more popular. Now, the most popular of those three is wholesaling. It's nothing more than finding a motivated seller, a seller that is motivated to sell their property at a discount. Once they sell, they agree to your terms and say, yes, I'll sell my property at a discount. You tie that property up with a contract, turn around, and you assign your contract to a cash buyer. Now, to go ahead and to answer that question, can I really invest in real estate with no money and not even any credit? Yes, you can. However, what that takes a consistent action habit. You can do this from home. What you can do is you can pull up Craigslist ads, right? Now, the way I go ahead and I show you, it's a little different because you're able to find these motivated sellers. For instance, one of the ways I teach is to go ahead and to type in moving sale into Craigslist. They're moving and they're selling their stuff, which means they need to sell their property. Okay, that's just one of the many ways. Obviously, you can go ahead and post some We Buy Houses signs. We Buy Houses signs in Craigslist. You can also target the Facebook Marketplace. Okay, Facebook Marketplace is a great way to go ahead and find some motivated sellers. Also, you can go to a website called Land Century. Yes, I said it, Land Century. They not only sell land, but they sell houses. Oftentimes they sell cheap houses. eBay.com also has some great deals. You can also post bandit signs in your local area. Okay? You can do homemade bandit signs if you have no money to go ahead and start with. So, what's a step-by-step play as to how you would go ahead and begin investing in real estate with no money? First and foremost, I would utilize local free resources that I just mentioned. You can go to Land Century, Craigslist, go to Google. I want you to type in We Buy Houses. We Buy Houses. Okay, number one. Number two, I want you to go ahead and get on those individual lists. Okay, because all of those people that are advertising websites, We Buy Houses, they're advertising them. Most of them are wholesaling, if not all of them. They're wholesaling. What you want to do is reach out to them to see if they have deals and to get on their list. Okay? In other words, you want to begin to connect with other wholesalers. Why? Because they're targeting motivated sellers. If they are targeting motivated sellers and they are looking for cash buyers, you contact them and you let them know that you're able to go ahead and to bring a cash buyer to the table. Now, what you do is you go out and you post on different websites, right? Letting individuals know that you have properties and you come across properties for sale. What will begin to happen is cash buyers will contact you. Now follow me, because this is an aspect of wholesaling that takes no money, no credit, not a lot of effort. So what you do first and foremost is you contact as many wholesalers as possible. Best way to do that is to go to Craigslist, type in We Buy Houses, because all those websites are going to pop up. I need you to reach out to all of those websites. These are investors, wholesalers, that are looking for motivated sellers. You need to connect with them. Remember, this is a numbers game. You need to connect with them and let these wholesalers know that you're able to bring a cash buyer to the table. Once you connect with as many wholesalers as you can, then what you want to do is to go out and begin to place ads, cheap houses for sale, right? With a name, a phone number, text, whatever that is. And you want to place a simple ad in Facebook Marketplace. You want to place that in Craigslist. You want to place that on different websites. You want to just blast that, right? Because your whole goal is you want to go ahead and find cash buyers. Once you find yourself some real cash buyers, then what you do is you continue to connect with those wholesalers. Once a wholesaler deal pops up, they have that deal under contract. They let you know because you are on their list. You go out and you contact your cash buyer and let them know that you have a deal that's in play. You go ahead and you get a contract with that cash buyer. That wholesaler has a contract with that seller. You all go ahead, put the deal together, and you split the wholesale fee, wholesale commission, profit, whatever it is you want to call it. Let's say that fee is $10,000. You bring a buyer to the table, they bring a seller to the table. You all sign a JV agreement together. And then what you do is you go ahead, you send that deal to a local title company, if you're in that kind of state, or a closing attorney, an investor-friendly closing attorney, or an investor-friendly title company. They close out the deal. Both you and that investor make profit, make money, 50-50, right? This is a low effort way of finding deals with no money and no credit. Now, once you do enough of these, now you can begin to graduate, right? To begin to buying deals, should you choose to. Many of you all are looking to fix and flip. That's great. That's fine. Once you begin to get enough of these wholesale deals that take no money or credit, once you begin to get enough of these deals into your pocket, then you can graduate to fixing and flipping. Remember, the whole goal with this aspect of real estate investing called wholesaling is to buy low, to get the property under contract for a low price, and then turn around and assign it for a higher price. Okay? So, remember, you all can invest in real estate with no cash or credit. It's just that most people don't understand that real estate really is fitting in these two different buckets. You got traditional real estate and you got non-traditional real estate. Traditional real estate is buy and hold, fix and flip, typically. Non-traditional real estate or creative real estate is wholesaling, lease options, and subject to, typically. You have some others out there, but those are the main, most popular ones, okay? So, feel free to go ahead and to do the most important ingredient, not just the information, but the action. This all comes together. This is great. This is fine, but it all comes together and it works well. It works best if you take action. Okay? That's the most important ingredient, guys. Take action. If y'all found value in this video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends. I'm going to have some free contracts and some additional resources in the description. Okay? All right, this is Gerald. Have a great day. Bye.